In this video, we are going to learn how to perform mathematical operations in MATLAB. To perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, first of all, we need to know the mathematical operators and how they are represented in MATLAB. Okay, let's go one by one. First of all, let's create two variables and assign some values. S1 equal to 5, S2 equal to 6. Enter. The first operator is addition. S equal to S1. We know the operator of addition, that is plus S2. Enter. The value is 11. Here I assigned the expression S1 plus S2 to the variable S. What will happen? We didn't assign this expression to the S. Let's see. Enter. A new variable ANS is generated by the MATLAB by itself. It will happen when we didn't assign the result of some expression to a variable. The second operator is subtraction. S1 minus. The subtraction operator is minus. Enter. And the third one is multiplication. The multiplication operator is represented by star. Enter. 5 6 30. And the fourth one is division. It is represented by slash. Enter. Here we got 0.8333 up to 5 decimal points. If we want more accuracy, just type the command format long. Enter. And execute the same command is equal to S1 by S2. Enter. Now you got the answer with more accuracy. This is up to 15 decimal points. If you don't want like this, just type the command format short. Enter. And execute the same command. By default, the MATLAB will be in format short. Here, up to now, we performed operations on matrices that containing only one element. If the matrix contains more than one element, some of the operators will be modified. Let's see what are the operators that will modify. The addition operator won't change. Let's create new variables having multiple elements 1, 2, 3. Enter. And 2 1, 3, 4. Enter. And m equal to m1 plus m2. Enter. The respective elements of the two matches are added. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 4, 7. In similar way, the subtraction will also performed by the MATLAB. M equal to M1 minus M2. Enter. Coming to multiplication, the operator is a little bit modified. It is M1 full stop, it is dot star M2. The dot represents the multiplication is element to element. Enter. Check the value. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 4, 12. In similar way, the division operator. M equal to M1 dot slash M2. Enter. 1 by 1, 1. 2 by 3, 0.667. 3 by 4, 0.750. Like this, we can perform the operations. If you want to square a variable, or if you want to square the value in a variable, we can square the variable like this. Just set s equal to s1. Here we are squaring the value in the s1. S1, the operator, up arrow, and 2. If you want cube, you can just put 3. Enter. We have 5 in the S1. 5 square is 25. If you want to square all the elements in a variable, then you have to put dot in front of this operator. M1 variable contains 3 elements. So let's square it. M equal to M1 up arrow 2. Enter. The M1 contains 1, 2, 3. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. Like this we can square, or we can give power to the elements in the variable.